We are a family of four who travels in our 1990 GMC Vendora van that was self-converted on a budget. At the beginning of this year, this was just an empty van, and we were just a family with a dream and more faith than money. We didn't have a blueprint, we didn't have a big budget. What we had was a vision to build something with our own hands and to show our kids what's possible when you choose courage over comfort. This year was full of mistakes, long nights, learning as we went, tearing things out, rebuilding, and trusting the process even when it got hard. This isn't just a camper van build. This is a story about faith, family, sacrifice, and freedom. From the very first cut to the first time we turned the key and drove away, this is everything we built and everything we dreamed of. But every mistake taught us something. Every setback forced us to slow down, to talk more, to pray more, to trust that progress doesn't always look like perfection. We weren't just building a camper van, we were building patience, resilience, memories our kids will carry long after this van is gone. We wanted them to see what it looks like when you don't wait until everything is perfect.